Hello everyone, it's Gigi. This is an update to my giveaway. So I decided to extend it. I'm going to extend it till August 28th. I hope that doesn't bother anybody. I have not had very many people enter, and they just started actually having people enter. So I'm going to do it till August 28th, and then I will pick a winner when I get back from my cruise. So it's going to be US only, 18 years and over, and you must be a visible subscriber. The only thing that's different is you can send me any kind of card. It does not have to be a birthday card. And you can do a VR for an extra entry. And if you've already sent me a card, you can still do a VR. Just let me know you did one. So you can still get an extra entry. And I think that's it. Oh, and on the back of the card, I still want you to put a YouTube channel that you're recommending to me. Okay? And that's it, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Love y'all. Bye.